Hello, beautiful people of Alabama, Hoover, Alabama, Birmingham, and all of the suburbs. This is Ruta Christiana with EXP Realty. So I'm here to show you this beautiful home. It's new on the market and you don't want it to slip you by, or you don't want to miss it. That's just it. So I'm gonna give you a tour. Let me know if this house is worth the price, and let me know if this area, Oxmoor area, it's your vibe. Okay, let's go. As you can see, it has two car garages out here. Yeah, so this is the entrance. It's a 4-bed, 2.5 bath. Washer and dryer unit. This is the bath right here. The pantry. It's a fenced yard. As you can see, this is what the back of the house is looking like. Okay, so let's go see the rooms upstairs before I show you the master's suite. Okay, hello. That's the second room, and a walk-in closet. This is the third room. So let's go see the master suites. So there you go with the tour of this house. It's a 4 bed, 2.5 bath, like I said earlier. If you would like to see it up close and personal, reach out to me, get my phone number, get my email. You don't want to miss this house right in the heart of Hoover. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Like I said, let me know if the price is right, because this is a house in Hoover, okay? In Hoover, you know how the houses are so pristine and they sell out fast, okay? So I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, hit the hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Bye guys.